come on. Yo, come on, let's do this. Come on. Control, let's stain our two sleeves. In the play, crunch is so cracked on the leash. Shake my big brothers hooting at the crime scene. They surrendered and gave up that peace. And the hell homeboys wouldn't notice that. My dear friends felt like him, I said. Africans left no since Adama. They asked for help and that's Alabama. No diggity, but take the digging this. I woke up, not in the day, I broke the rhythm. Let's laugh. I had a dream, the work was in this. I gotta wake up, no diggity, but take the digging this. I woke up, not in the day, I broke the rhythm. Let's laugh. I had a dream, the work was in this. I gotta wake up, I knew how to handle the weapon before I knew what love could do. They say love comes out of something so hot. Never knew who loved me or loved me not. Over sex to me from all nada. And yo, what you know? The love of my lover. Ain't need for something more. Oh wow, OG never knew the creator. No diggity, but take the digging this. I woke up, not in the day, I broke the rhythm. Let's laugh. I had a dream, the work was in this. I gotta wake up, no diggity, but take the digging this. I woke up, not in the day, I broke the rhythm. Let's laugh. I had a dream, the work was in this. I gotta wake Man, I was in a bad nightmare. Shut up, must be coming too rare. Boo, is this a bad night, babe? Tell me this was just a fad. Screaming for in a nice sweet and all they heard was how the sound sad. As if the words have become like soap. I'm a victim and I like it. What we gonna do? Is this a dream? Get me out of bed, freaking over my dream. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go to do. Let's go, is this a dream? Get me out of bed, freaking over my dream. And I got on my friends, let's party. So the fun never ends, get up now and grab some. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. And I got on my friends, let's party. So the fun never ends, get up now and grab some. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's learn Wakey Wakey. It's choreographed by Blevins and Thompson Szymanski. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, easy intermediate level line dance with 3 restarts on walls 3, 6, and 8, all after 16 and counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about where all 3 restarts happen and how to do the ending, and then we're going to go around and dance 9 walls of the dance so you can practice all 3 restarts and know where they happen, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Wakey Wakey. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the side, left foot behind. We're going to quickly step our right foot to the right side, and you're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot forward into the left diagonal. You're now going to pop both knees forward by lifting your heels up off the ground and then recover onto your left foot. We're going to cross our right over our left. You're going to step your left foot to the left side, squaring yourself up to 12 o'clock. When I do this step, I like to open my hips up to the right because we're doing a half sailor step over our right shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. A quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the side to face 6. And then you're going to cross your right over your left. When you cross your right over your left, you want to slightly angle those hips more towards the right because our next section is going to turn over our right shoulder. I like to point my right toe more towards the right side to allow for me to use that as momentum. So let's try that with some counts. We're stepping our left foot to the side. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left foot to face 9 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to return to 12, and we're going to do a crossing shuffle, left over right, crossing our left over right, right side, left over right. We're now going to quickly rock our right foot to the right side and recover on your left, and we're going to weave, crossing right over left, left side, right behind. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot, and you're going to make another quarter turn over your left shoulder. As you turn, you're going to start the next section, which is stepping to the side with your hip rolls. So that last count is an and count. It's going to blend right in to section 3. So let's try it with some counts. We just crossed our right over our left. You're doing that quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and then you'll start section 3. Section 3, we would have just done that and. As we start to make that quarter turn, you're going to step your right foot to the right side, and you're going to roll your hips counterclockwise from left to right, bringing around and lifting that left toe up and touching it. We're now going to swing our hips around clockwise from right to left, bringing it around, and you're going to touch your right toe to the right side. You're now going to do a 3/4 walk around over your right shoulder. We're going to end facing 3 o'clock. So you're going to make a quarter over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your left to face 12 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3, and then step forward with your left. You want to do that in a nice arc. So the exact amounts that you step is kind of up to you. You have 4 steps to go from 6 o'clock to 3 o'clock in an arcing fashion. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our and facing 6 o'clock. You're rolling those hips. And 1, 2, 3, 4, walk around 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to kick our right foot forward. We're going to quickly step our right foot out to the side and then the left foot out to the side. We're going to bring our right foot in next to our left, taking weight on that right foot, and you're going to cross your left over your right. We're now going to do a full unwind over our right shoulder, keeping your weight on your left foot. You're coming all the way around, keeping your weight on your left, returning to 3 o'clock. You're now going to rock your right foot to the right side, make a quarter turn, recover over your left shoulder, stepping down onto your left foot. You're now at 12 o'clock. We're going to step forward with our right, and you're going to do a 3/4 pivot over your left shoulder to return to 3 o'clock. And if you don't make it quite all the way there, you're going to step to the side with the right. You can use that as your complete square up to the 3 o'clock wall, and then you would start the dance all over again. So now let's try that with some counts. We just stepped forward with our left. You're facing 3 o'clock. You're doing your kick out, out. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you would start the dance all over again with your side step. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it all the way through, 1 time with steps and 1 time with counts. Weights on your left foot. You're doing your side behind, side step, knee pop, cross, side half, sailor, cross, quarter back, quarter side, crossing shuffle, side rock, cross, side behind, quarter, hip, roll, 3/4, walk facing 3 o'clock, kick, out, all, cross, full unwind, side rock, recover, quarter, step, 3/4 pivot, start the dance all over again, facing 3 o'clock. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're stepping your right foot to the side. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're returning here. A little trick to know which wall you are coming back to. Once we start that kick out in all the unwind and turns, whatever wall you are facing to do that kick out is your next wall. So after you do this full unwind, you want to make sure that you're always coming back to this wall. So when you do the unwind, you're coming back to the wall that you were facing. And when you rock and do your quarter turn, you're now going to return back to the wall that you had started that kick out to. So that you have like a home base for those turning sections. And that is the end of the dance. So now let's talk about the restarts. The first two are going to happen facing 6 o'clock. You're going to dance 16 and counts, which is your turn into your hip roll. But instead of doing your hip roll, you're going to start the dance all over again with your side, behind, ball, press, knee pop. The next one's going to happen facing 3 o'clock, and you will dance the 16 and counts and restart facing 9 o'clock. So let's practice that back one first, and then we'll practice the one that happens on the side wall. You are facing 6 o'clock. You would have just done your 3/4 unwind. So now you're stepping your right foot to the right side, side, behind, side, step, knee pop, cross, side, half, sailor, cross, quarter, back, quarter, side, crossing shuffle, side, rock, cross, side, behind, quarter, quarter, side, behind, and step, knee pop, cross, side, half, sailor, cross, and then you would keep dancing it. So for the first 2 rotations of the dance, we don't dance the side wall. It isn't until we restart at that same point, facing 3 o'clock, that you will finally do the 9 o'clock wall. So let's practice it facing 3 o'clock. You would have just done your 3/4 unwind. We're going to restart at that same point, turning your quarter turn into your hip roll to a quarter turn to start the dance all over again. Stepping to the side, side, behind, side, step, knee pop, cross, side, half, sailor, cross, quarter, back, quarter, side, crossing shuffle, side, rock, cross, side, behind, quarter, quarter, side, behind, and touch, knee pop. And then you would keep dancing the dance the rest of the way through. Our last wall is facing 3 o'clock. You will dance all 32 and facing 6 o'clock. There is 1 or 2 counts at the very end of the song to allow you to make a half turn to face 12 o'clock to end the dance. So what you would end doing is that 3/4 unwind. So you'll be here, you just want to over rotate it. You're going to make that a half turn over your left shoulder and then step forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock, and that will be your ending. So let's just practice that. You would be facing the side wall. We would have just done our quarter rock recover. You're going to do your step in your 3/4 unwind into a half with a step forward. So we're going to go step, 3/4, unwind, step. And you're just going to pivot around on the ball of your left foot to make a half turn to step forward with the right. And that is the end of the dance. So now let's go around. We're going to dance 9 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we'll do our counts. I'll call out all 3 restarts and we'll do the walls that follow so you can practice those transitions. Wait, starting on your left foot, we're stepping our right foot to the side. Side, behind, side, step, knee, pop, cross, side, half, sailor, cross, quarter, back, quarter, side, crossing shuffle, side, rock, cross, side, behind, quarter, quarter, hip, roll, touch, 3/4, walk, 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 kick, out, out, ball, cross, full unwind, side, rock, quarter, recover, step, 3/4, turn, step, side, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 and side, behind, side, step, knee, pop, cross, side, half, sailor, cross, quarter back, quarter side, crossing shuffle, side, rock, cross, side, behind, quarter, quarter, restart, side, behind, side, step, knee, pop, cross, side, half, sailor, cross, quarter back, quarter side, crossing shuffle, side, rock, cross, side, behind, quarter, quarter, hip, roll, touch, 3/4, walk around to 3 o'clock, kick out, out ball, cross, full unwind, side rock, quarter, recover, step 3/4, turn, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and restart, side, behind, side, step, knee, pop, cross, side, half, sailor, cross, quarter back, quarter side, crossing shuffle, side rock, cross, side, behind, quarter, quarter, hip, roll, 3/4, walk around, kick out, out ball, cross, full unwind, side rock, quarter, recover, step 3/4, turn, our last restart, 16 and counts, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and restart side, 1, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you would dance all the way through. You only have a few walls after that last restart where you will dance until you're facing the back, and then you'll add on that half turn. I hope this helps you learn Wakey Wakey. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.